in the country.
Kisumu County plans to host an investor conference between September 26th to 29th to market its business opportunities. Speaking in the capital, Nairobi, after meeting various industry players, Kisumu County Governor Professor Anyang' Nyong'o said the conference will be held at Jomo Kenyatta International Sports Ground with strict adherence as well of COVID-19 containment measures.
Have already prepared from every ministry investable projects that investors can be interested in. We have an investment handbook, we have a website, and we also have a continuous interaction and discussion with the business community in Kenya and in Kisumu County, so that they too can be part and parcel of shaping the agenda for the investment conference. We feel very strongly that it is not just enough to tell people that we want you to invest in agriculture and so on. They want to know the ground rules for investing in Kisumu. What is the environment? Is it friendly? Is it hospitable to investors or not in terms of government procedures, licensing, information availability, data, and things like those.